Okay, here we have the GoPro Hero 8 Black special bundle. So the difference between the normal one and the special one is it includes some of the accessories like your chest belt, shorty, extra battery, and one SanDisk, this memory card, right? So time for it to unbox. Here we go. Now let me remove it. Yes, the first touch. Wow. Now if we open it, what it offers: some instruction guide like GoPro app, the GoPro Plus, the storage, manual. I don't even read books. Who will read the manuals? So it comes with a micro SD SanDisk 32 GB. Let's put it aside. This is basically your chest belt, or you can put it as a strap on your head so that when you go out you can do video of it. Let me put it aside. This USB cable for charging. This little cute battery. There is another one as well. So because GoPro, they claim that it can go up to 4 hours once you charge it, so it's always better to have a backup. This one basically is a strap. You can mount it to your bike helmet or to skateboard. Let me put it aside as well. Now comes the shorty. So this is basically, you can make use of like a tripod like this, or even it goes off like this, so you can do video, selfie, you can take selfie, or you can make use of it as a tripod.